Hey guys, this is Nicholas here from Crypto Laundry, and on this episode I want to talk to you guys about a concept that my mate recently asked me about. Bitcoin halving. What is Bitcoin halving? So before we delve deeper into the whole concept of Bitcoin halving, let's first discuss how money is printed in a centralized banking system. So say for example, in a particular economy, more money needs to be generated for whatever reason. So board of directors of an apex banks in country X will say, hey, let's have a meeting and discuss exactly how much money needs to be printed or needs to be put back into the economy. And let's assume that amount is 35 billion, hypothetically. That amount is printed and injected back into an economy, and this is done regularly over a period of time. Now, when it comes to a decentralized system like Bitcoin, when Satoshi Nakamoto had written the white paper for Bitcoin, he imagined a world where we practically ripped out the human factor from money. He basically conceptualized a decentralized system where we didn't really need human interference to print more money. In this particular scenario, create more Bitcoin. And that is exactly what Bitcoin halving is. Now, to give you a more clearer idea of what Bitcoin halving is, every time someone mines Bitcoin, he's essentially solving a computational puzzle. For solving that particular puzzle, he is rewarded a certain percentage of Bitcoin. Now, during the first halving, that percentage was essentially 50 Bitcoin. Now, that sounds crazy, I know. But back then, 50 Bitcoin was less than $1. Now, in order to create and sustain a system of value, Bitcoin halving essentially happens every 4 years, where Bitcoin rewards are slashed by half. So during the first Bitcoin halving, which took place between 2008 to 2012, miners were rewarded 50 Bitcoin. In the second halving, which took place from 2012 and 2016, Bitcoin miners were rewarded 25 Bitcoin, which is technically half of 50. We are currently living in the fourth halving, which is technically between 2020 to 2024. Now, currently Bitcoin miners are being rewarded 6.25. Now, in the fifth halving, which takes place between 2024 to 2028, Bitcoin miners will be rewarded 3.125, and so on and so forth. You get the idea. Now, by 2140, all Bitcoin would have been mined by then, leaving a finite supply of Bitcoins. Now, this obviously means that the value of Bitcoin will be exponential. Now, if you want me to simplify more crypto concepts, do let me know in the comment section below, and do like, subscribe, and share this video for all those that want to know more about crypto or more about certain crypto concepts. Do also check out our TikTok and our IG channel for more content that we upload on a daily basis. And as usual, do hit the subscribe for more content just like this.